Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook Exercise 5.3, Question number 8. Identify the type of conic and find center, foci, vertices and directrices of each of the following. Question number 1. X minus 3 whole square by 225. Here y minus 4 whole square to 89. Here first let us write the given equation, that is x minus 3 the square over 225 plus y minus 4 over 289. Here here a square is major axis 289, therefore here a square is 289, b square is 225, c square equal to a square minus b square, 289 minus 225 equal 64. C square is 64. And which gives c equal 8, because 8 square is 64. Now we know that eccentricity is square root of 1 minus b square over a square for the hyperbola, which is equal square root of 1 minus 225 over 289 equal 289 minus 225 equal 64 over 289 under the square root equal 8 over 17, because square root of 289 is 17, square root of 64 is 8. Now we got E. Now we start the given things. First you have to find type of the conic is hyperbola and find the center. Here center is, because x minus 3 and y minus 4, so we have to write 3 and 4 is the center, which gives h equal to 3, k equal to 4. Then b, foci are h comma k plus c and h k minus c, that is foci are h is 3 and k is 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 8, 4 plus 8, c is 8 and h is 3, then 4 minus 8. So therefore the center you can say 3 comma 12 and 3 comma minus 4, and vertices are h comma k minus a and h k plus a, that is h is 3, k is 4 minus 17 and 4, h is 4, k plus 4 plus 17, which is equal 3 minus 13 and 4 21. These are the vertices or vertices. Then next D is equation of directrix. Equation of directrices. Here equation of directrices is y minus 4, that is given, plus or minus a over e, that is y minus 4 plus or minus 17 over 8 over 17, which is equal plus or minus 17 square over 8. That means y minus 4 equal 289 over 8. Then further we can do y equal 4 plus 289 over 8 equal 8 is 4 8s are 32 plus 289, which is equal, here plus or minus comes, first one 32 plus 289 and 321 over 8, and for minus 2, that is 32 minus 289 is 257 over 8. Therefore we have directrices are y equal 321 over 8 and y equal minus 253 over 8. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.